How to increase your app download. In this video, we are going to tell you how to increase your app download using Google Ads. First step, sign in your Google Ads account. Click on the campaign tab. Click on the blue button. Click on the new campaign tab. Choose app promotion as your objective. Select a campaign subtype is app install. Select your mobile app platform. Choose Android. Enter your app application name. Like we are for the reference purpose, we are taking bubble shooter. We are taking this app name only for the reference purpose. Click on the continue. Then campaign name, create your campaign name like app promotion. Select the target location in which country you want to run your app install or you want to get app installed from which country. Like I will choose for India. Select your budget. Let us say 10,000 daily budget. For bidding method, we are setting the install volume. Then click save and continue. After that, set your ad group name like test app download. Then gives your multiple headlines and description for your related which are related to your app. You can add up to 5 unique headlines. You can add up to 5 unique descriptions. You can add up to 20 images and you can add up to 20 videos and HTML file. And you can add up to 20 HTML5 images. After that, you will save and continue. After adding these type of these requirement, you need to create save and continue button. When you click on the save and continue button, then your app install campaign is created.